What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I got an Adobe Photoshop tutorial for you, and we're going to show you how to restore your legacy brushes, shapes, gradients, and patterns. So if you don't know what the legacy settings are, they're just basically a whole bunch of different presets. Let's show you the gradients, right? So if we come to gradients and you see right here it says legacy gradients, they got a whole bunch of different ones in here, okay? Now, these aren't usually on your Photoshop account by default, but it's real easy to get them. But real quick before we do that, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, turning on them post notifications, and smashing that like button if these videos help you out. Also, check out the links in the description below. I got some Wacom tablets and some other stuff that'll really up your Photoshop game. And let's get right into it. Alright, so we're inside of Photoshop. Now, I'm going to show you, it's real simple. It's 2 clicks to get your legacy settings back. Now, you could come over here and click on shapes, gradients, patterns, or brush settings. But if you don't have any of those, it's real easy. All you got to do is click on window. And we're going to start with the brushes. Okay. So once you're in the brushes here, you see where it says brushes or brush settings. We're just going to make sure we're clicked on brushes. And we're going to click this button here, the hamburger menu with the 3 lines in the corner. We're going to click on that. And then all we got to do is come down to legacy brushes and click that. And that'll say restore the legacy brushes brush set to the list of brush presets. You're going to click OK. I already have it. And if we open it up, you can see here that the legacy brushes are crazy. They got tons of different ones. And this might be all you need. You might never need another brush again. They got a bunch of options here, so you can choose whatever you want to choose. Okay, next thing. You guessed it, we're going to go back to window and we're going to find gradients. Same thing, it's going to pull up your gradient panel, and all you got to do is click on the hamburger menu in the top right, come down to legacy gradients, and you click on it, and I already have them downloaded here so you can see there's just a ton of them. You even got special effects gradients too. Like transparent to black and ND filter ones, rainbow ones, all types, right? Okay, so let's close that up. We're going to go ahead and do our patterns now. So same thing, come to Windows, Patterns, click on the far right hamburger menu, go to Legacy Patterns and More. You're going to click on it and you're going to click OK. I'm going to delete this one because I have it twice. You click OK, and here you go. It's going to have a ton of patterns, different wood, gravel, stone, rust, water. Just a bunch of different presets, right? Okay, so the last one we're going to do is going to be shapes. So we're going to go to Window, Shapes. And same thing, click on the hamburger menu and come down here to Legacy Shapes and More. And as you can see, we got a bunch of different ones. Trees. These are awesome for brush settings to use too. And for just compositing, you can do a ton of different stuff with these. You got people, emotions, landmarks, cities, buildings, aircraft, different vehicles, bikes, animals. What else? Dinosaurs, sports equipment, playing cards, electronic games, signs, flags, helmets. So you got a huge selection of different shapes with these legacy settings. And those are the 4 I'm going to show you. I'm not sure if they have legacy settings for other stuff. Let's just see. Oh, no, they don't. But as you can see, you can go through window and click on different ones and check it out for yourself, right? But I think that about does it for today's video. I hope it helps you out. I hope it helps you get a bunch of new brush settings and gradients and different shapes and stuff for your library. And you can go through and pick your favorites through all those and just save them as presets, and you'll be able to always find them. Again, guys, make sure to check back on the channel if you're into Photoshop, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and all types of other tech-related stuff. We're going to be coming out with brand new videos. So check them out. Come back to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.